Hey viewers, here's the thing, right now, you might be thinking, do I really need the best plunger for a toilet? And the answer is yes, because there's nothing worse than having a subpar toilet plunger when it comes to unclogging a toilet. Sure, you could go with the cheapest toilet plunger, we will show you which is the cheapest plunger, but the best toilet plunger can be the difference between fighting with the toilet all night and getting the job done in under a minute. Toilet plungers are available in the market, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I researched extensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best toilet plunger from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products helpful for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mr. Siga Toilet Plunger. What we like about it. It's a more unique and compact plunger brush duo design. The black rubber cup is nice since it won't show dirt or any staining that will occur. The toilet plunger and caddy combo look nice enough to leave out, but small enough to put in a closet without taking up too much room. The brush is an excellent addition to remove toilet mold or anything else you are scrubbing. The dual drip tray is nice to have. The plunger cup is a standard size that should fit most toilets. If you have a more comprehensive toilet trap, you may want a toilet plunger with a different type. What we don't. The handle gets narrower towards the base, making me wonder how strong the plastic is, and if it holds up to the rigors. Given the reviews, this toilet plunger should be okay. Number 2. Simple Human Toilet Plunger. What we like about it. This simple human toilet plunger has an elegant design and a holder that you don't mind leaving out. There's also a nice stainless steel handle missing on some of the other models we saw. The simple human toilet plunger has an extended flange, if that sort of thing is important to you, so it's designed to work more efficiently with modern toilets. Of course, the drip tray is nice to have as well. It is 900 ratings, and 4.7-star reviews on Amazon make it a solid find. This leads us to think this one is doing exactly what it needs to, and people like it enough to review it. What we don't. The price was it's a little higher than its competitors, but still within range of being affordable for the problem it solves. Number 3. Toiletrum Revolutionary Plunger. What we like about it. This is a different take on the usual way to plunge a toilet. This one works like a drill by pushing out the clogs. That way, you aren't forcing it through, and I imagine it makes less mess. At first glance, I wasn't sure about this, but with over 300 reviews and a near 4-star rating, it's 3.9, to be exact, it must work well. It also has a stylish storage caddy that can be left out. Though the look on your guests' faces should they ever see it may leave them wondering. What we don't. Everything about it looks legit, but like all new ideas, there is a bit of drag to give it a try. Especially if the clog happens to be out of reach of the handle. For the price, it's a solid find. Number 4. Toiletry Deluxe Freestanding Toilet Plunger. What we like about it. The stainless steel combo setup is excellent. The stainless steel gives the duo a nice polished look for something you would rather keep out of sight. You won't mind it being out of this one. The design is excellent, and you can tell a lot of thought goes into this product. They have taken a normal thing you would typically keep hidden in a closet, and made it something you don't mind if someone notices. Any hideaway toilet plunger is excellent because you don't have to find another place to put it. What we don't. As far as rubber plungers go, this one is a little pricier, but you get a more admirable display and a brush. Number 5. Luigi's Toilet Plunger. What we like about it. I will let my Nintendo freak flag fly for a second. Whoever finally named a plumbing product with a Super Mario Bros. Name, Luigi, is a genius. Okay, I'm good. This one has an excellent stand, and when you get the accordion part of the plunger out of the way, it seems pretty artsy. Keep in mind I know nothing about art, but apparently a lot about Super Mario. It comes with a money-back guarantee and has over 600 ratings on Amazon. What we don't. Not all the ratings are excellent, and it's floating around a 3.5 star when writing this. A good portion is 1 star. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay updated with Amazon's cool products, making your life much easier. Have a good day.